I thought I'd just quickly film a short video for this week's activity. I'm busy marking your learning plans at the moment, and there's some fantastic learning plans coming through with some terrific ideas on how you're going to schedule your time for the next 8 weeks. And some of these schedules you're going to be able to use in other units and throughout your degree, which is fantastic to see. So well done to everyone for getting those assignments in on time. So you should be starting to think about the topic that you're going to actually choose for your next assessment and the essay. So you'll be using the same topic for both the Assessment 2 and Assessment 3. And I hope you've had a chance to view the Collaborate recording where we discussed Assessment 2 in a lot more detail. So from looking at the assessment brief, you'll be able to see now that we've got 4 different topics here. We've got changing families, we've got family or the changing family structure, we've got family and work, family and technology, and family and relationships, which is including online dating. So you need to choose one of those topics that you're going to work on for your next Assessment 2 and also explore in more depth in your essay for Assessment 3. There are questions in the assessment brief related to each topic that you need to answer in the questions that need to be answered. So just something to look at when you're working through choosing your topic. Make it something that you're really interested in. That way the research will be a lot more interesting for you to do going forward for the next 2 assessments. So on the screen here, I've just got the last page of the learning materials for this week. So if you work your way through the learning materials, you'll see that there's some podcasts to watch, there's some videos, there's a couple of activities to do this week, which will help you focus towards your assignment. This week's focus is actually really on changing families, and next week we're going to move to family and work. So if you've decided that you want to do family and technology or family and relationships, by all means jump forward and have a look at the learning materials for that week to get your research started. So in the essential readings for this week, they've actually listed the readings for each particular topic. So these are great readings to help you start on your research. These readings or articles cannot be used in Assessment 2. You need to go out and find 3 new articles or readings to use in Assessment 2. But you can refer to these readings here on the screen in Assessment 3, the essay. But these are just to get you started and to start on your research. So make sure that you choose one of the subjects that you want to do. Then go back into the learning materials and start working your way through the next activity. So this assessment is actually due on week 4, which is the 1st of April, April Fool's, but it's actually due at 5 o'clock. So there's no tricks that can be made there. So there is a little bit to do this week, which is choosing the topic, working through the readings, making sure you start on your research, as well as complete the activities. So if you have any questions regarding any of this, please let me know. If you've got specific personal questions that are more of a sensitive nature, you can certainly email me, but it would be really good if you could put most of your questions on the discussion board. That way everyone else will benefit from both the question and the answer, and we can all engage and help each other and collaborate on the discussion board. So have a wonderful weekend before week 3 starts on Monday, and let's hope that you've chosen your topic by Monday morning so we can hit the ground running. Thanks, guys.